Hello, hello, it's Southern Belle, and I want to welcome you to the Southern Belle channel. And I know that some of you are probably saying, wow, look at that purse. Basic black purse goes with everything. Look at the beautiful skin on that purse. Oh, this must be an auction video. No. This must be a buy it now video. No. This is a purse shame confession. And if you saw my very first video ever, I started the entire channel with a confession of shame, a confession of purse shame. And I have to say that here it is 6 months later, and I am still having to make confessions of shame, and yet another one of my confessions is purse shame. I know y'all were thinking that my first video, this is probably just a lark. This is probably something that happens once to this woman every blue moon, or once to a woman in a lifetime. But no, I'm a chronic purse shame victim. I am. Now, this purse looks fine in the front. I must carry my purses in such a way where I just protect the front, so therefore it doesn't look so bad. But now that you've seen it, let me turn it around and show you my purse shame. And then you'll see why I'm struggling whether to keep it or get rid of it, because it still looks okay from the front. Don't y'all think? It looks okay. And it's basic black. It's got a little bit of the tan detailing in the middle, just in case I were to wear a lighter color. But let me turn it around and start showing you the points of shame. I'm sure you can see where it's flaking off here. Who would want that? You can literally see where, I'm not sure if this was snakeskin or alligator. It's literally flaking off right here in front of you. Everything in me wants to just push it down and try to make it okay. But I've tried to make it okay for so many months. And not only so many months, but it's been months of flaking. It has been years and years that I've used this purse. In fact, I started using it before my parents' funerals, and I carried this black purse to both of their funerals. But this is not the only shame. I've got a little bit of shame over here where it's starting as well. Let me show you the zipper, because you can really tell how much you have used a purse by the condition of the zipper. You'll notice it's in two sides. It is coming apart in the middle. It's literally breaking in half. I have opened and closed it for so long, for so many years. And is it a name brand? No. Is it any brand? No. Is it just generic? Yes. So I know you're going to say, why are you having all this sadness? It was just a generic purse. It might have just been a generic purse, but it was a purse that I liked, and a purse that my late mother treated me to. It was a situation where she got a gift card, and she decided to re-gift me the gift card, and the note specifically said, treat yourself to a purse. Well, the gift card was not for a lot of money, and there were very few purses at the particular place that it was for that had a purse in the price range of the gift card. And I'm a person that loves texture. I love texture. Anytime there is a purse with texture, regardless of what color it is, I'm a person who's going to go for the texture or go for the skin. And I'm also a person who loves a satchel. I love these strong type of handles here. I know some people like the crossbody or they like the shoulder strap. I feel like my shoulders already hurt so much from the particular straps that we women have to wear for modesty. So I don't need a purse on my shoulders, which is why I like these satchels. And I like a purse that sits up. I like handles that sit up. And this purse served me so well. But sadly, it has become a beacon of shame. I've just used it so long. And when you get to the point that it's literally hard to open and close the purse because of the closure, that's when you have to start thinking, maybe I need to let this go. So here's my confession, and I'm going to tell y'all now that since I'm not buying new purses, I'm just using different purses that I already have. So when one wears out, oh no, look, there's more shame on the bottom. Just notice the shame in the corner. The more I look at this, the more shame I see. Therefore, when you're not buying new purses, you're just liberating one and using other ones that you have. Therefore, it exacerbates the use. Also, I have to say that back when I used to work at a church, because I had to get dressed every day to go into my office, therefore, I had a wide range of clothes and purses, and I would change my purse every day. But now that I have the luxury of working from home for my primary job, as well as working from home for my second job, which is YouTube, therefore, I'm home all the time. So the only time I'm using my purse is when I'm going to the USPS or the UPS to mail your packages, or when I'm going to a bank or an accountant, a tax preparer, other type of business errands for my real job. So therefore, I'm just using the same purse all the time rather than swapping it out each day, because then that gives equal use to all of your purses. Now I'm just using the same purse until it falls apart, which is why it's been 6 months now, and the second one has gotten to the point where it's fallen apart. But the good news is I'm only 25 subscribers away from 1K. And I know you think 1K, that's the be-all, end-all. Actually, you've got to have 1K plus 4,000 watch hours. So while I am almost to 1K, I am not almost to 4,000 watch hours. I'm not even halfway to 4,000 watch hours. So in addition to helping me decide what to do about this purse, I need you to help me with some watch hours, help me with 25 last subscribers, and help me try to get a little closer to getting monetized, which will help me make the most of this second job of mine, because I look at YouTube as my second job. So if you have a purse that you have some purse shame and you want to share it with me, then let me know. If you want to post the video, please post it, tag me in the comments, and put confession #purse shame so that I can find your purse video, knowing that you share my shame and what I'm going through. And laissez bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll. Roll in your life. Roll in your heart, roll in your soul, roll in your purses. And if you ever need something to get me, you now know I like a satchel purse, especially with a texture to it. Bye-bye now, and may God bless you.